Loaded cowboy tater tot nachos on the Blackstone. You're gonna love this one. Let's get into it. So we're first going to lay down the bacon, get that bacon going, get it nice and crisp, and then after the bacon's done, we're going to chop it up. We're going to use this grease right here for our tater tots. Try to get it all in there. How do you guys like your bacon? Crispy or with some meat on it? I kind of like it in the middle. All right, that's almost done. Our bacon is just about ready. We are going to move this off to the side, push on some of that oil, and let's get our tater tots. All right, we're just going to throw on some of our tater tots into that bacon oil, bacon grease. Mix in some of that sauce. Oh man, this smells good. All right, the tater tots didn't take that much long. It's all soaked up in that bacon grease. Let's pull these aside, push these aside, and now let's get our meat. Now I'm using ground chicken. You can use ground beef. I wanted to try something a little bit different. I usually use ground beef on this. Let's see how this one turns out.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
The chicken doesn't take too much long to make. Just kind of get it chopped up. What do you think that would be better, ground beef or this chicken? Let me know. It's really good with the ground beef, but something tells me it's going to be really good with the chicken also. All right, here's the fun part. Now we're going to put the barbecue sauce. My favorite is Sweet Baby Ray's. Put whatever you want. You want to use like a half a cup. I usually don't measure, so kind of put in what you think. And I just give that a nice mix. Okay, now that we got our chicken and our barbecue sauce nice and coated up, looks really good. Now what's left now is just assembling. So we're going to go ahead and turn off all our burners and let's get to assembling. Okay, we're first going to start. Let's throw our tater tots in our skillet. Now this is 1 pound of 2 pounds of tater tots, I should say. Now let's just take the bacon and give that a good chop. Chop those up. Make sure you don't chop off your finger. And then we're also going to chop up an onion. Probably just use a little less than half. I'm so bad at chopping onions. I know there's such an easier way, but whatever gets the job done, right? This is such a quick and easy meal. It's good for parties, snacks, because it makes a good brunch meal. It's got a little bit more. I don't like my onions too thick or too big, so we'll see how that works. Okay. Now we're just gonna take our chicken that we made, toss that in there. Throw in our bacon. Don't forget our onions. All around. Before the green onions, we're going to throw in some cheese. This is cheddar cheese. Top it off with some green onions. Finish it off with some sour cream.
And that's how you make loaded cowboy tater tots. Oh my God, let's give it a try. You have to try this one. I don't know which one is better, the beef or the chicken. They're kind of a toss-up. Let me know in the comments which one would you choose. And I'll catch you on the next one.